power to the people and eliminate the evil. So if you agree with these, you can come. Welcome to Wakanda. Welcome to Wakanda. Go and tell your father. Shit, you don't get a passport. It doesn't really matter. Praise God, hallelujah. Welcome to Wakanda.
Been trying it back in the video, and it's been a minute, but I got a quick one. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to change a radiator, or if you want to change the electric fans, or if you want to change the coolant reservoir tank. So it's all 3 in 1. So whichever you want to see, it's all gonna be in this video. So it should be pretty easy, and I'll show you the first steps real quick. Alright, let's go outside. You want to get all your tools. You need a 10mm socket. And then you need an 8mm socket also, and I'm pretty sure that's all you need. And oh, actually no. And then you also want to get you also need an Allen key. I'm not sure what size you need, but you just have a whole set. Good. And you also need I'm trying to find my. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you need one of this. It's a trim panel pop or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but you need that. Let's go outside and show what you need to do. Obviously, you got to pop the hood. Now, this job, you gotta make sure. Gotta make sure the engine is cold. Now, the way I like to do it, the way I want to do mine, is Now, obviously, if you want to do it, you gotta make sure your engine is cold, because when the cooling system is hot, there's a lot of pressure. So mine's been sitting overnight, so I know it's cold for sure. Now, as you can see, I already took out my intake, so I took this off last night, and it's really easy. There's a shit, what's it called? God damn it, I can't speak. Hold on, real quick. There's something like this. I don't know, I don't know what it's called, but like a clip or whatever. Yeah, just loosen that out. And then there's a 10mm bolt right here that holds the air box. That comes out. That's pretty easy. Second thing you need to do, you need to take off the bumper, which I'm going to do in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Actually, I took this out last night. Taking off the bumper is pretty easy. Now, you don't have to take it off to do this job, but I will say taking off the bumper will make it a lot easier. So, but to take it off, first you gotta turn the steering full lock either side. You can say I have a full lock to the right, and there's 3 panel push pins. Yeah, that's what it's called. God damn it! So there's one here, one here, one here, one here. And once you take that out, you just pull back on this fender liner, and there's a 10mm bolt that goes up there. So you take that out, you do it for the other side, and top here is also 4 push pins. Take all that out. Now underneath the car is usually like a belly pan. Now if you still have those, there's a bunch of screws and push pins you have to take off. Now my car doesn't have it, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, that's it. Now let's get straight to work. So like I said, I'm going to be changing the radiator, which is behind the condenser. This is the condenser. This is not the radiator, by the way. And I'm going to be changing this. First, you got to take off the fan. Well, yeah. But I'm going to drain the coolant right now. I'm sure you'll do it. Make sure you have a pan to catch it. You see this tube right here? There's something called a petcock, and I'm gonna try to show y'all what it is. This thing right here, and you just turn it counterclockwise, and that just lets the fluid come out. You can also, if you have really small hands, you might be able to reach it from up here. Let's see. I can't. My hands are big, so I'm just gonna do it from down there. And also, while you open that, make sure you open the take off the cap on the reservoir, so that way it comes out a lot faster. So I said make sure you take this off so that way it comes out a lot quicker. Just let that drain. Alright, so while the coolant is still draining, I'm going to go ahead and take out the fan. It's pretty easy. You gotta disconnect this clip right here. And there's a bolt right here. You can see it. Here. And there's another one here, right underneath this hose. So to take off this connector, you just pull on this, push on this tab up here. You just push it, and that just come off easily. Alright, so I already took out the 2 bolts. So you just, the fan just, see if y'all can see it. It slides back. Not to wiggle it out, but it will come off. I can't do it with one hand. Alright, so I already loosened it, as you can see, but it doesn't want to come out, so I'm just gonna take out this upper radiator hose. Mine has a flathead screw, just like this. Yours might have a clip, just get like a visor and clip that out. So I already took off the fan. Like I said, I had to take off this hose right here. Now, when you take off the hose, be careful because there's still coolant, as you can see, in the pipes. So just make sure you have like a drain bucket down there. And, yeah. So now take out the radiator. It's pretty easy. You gotta take this, pop this pin out, pop this pin out, and there should be 2 underneath. Somewhere here. And there should be 1 there. Then when this comes out, there's a 10mm bolt in there. 10mm bolt there, and there's 2 down here. So, alright, now I'm going to take off this lower radiator hose right here. That's the last hose you have to take off. So, do that. You might be able to reach from up here. I have to go underneath because mine, like I said, mine's the same kind of screw. So yeah, lower one, upper one, and then 4 bolts, and that's it. And make sure you have a bucket underneath for the lower radiator. Most of the time, there's usually still fluid in there. So let's see. I'm gonna pull it out right now. Hopefully, it's not a lot. See right there. It wasn't a lot though, but still, you know, if you're doing the driveway, you can see how I can mess up the whole floor. Anyways, that's up. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Next thing to replace this, you have to first disconnect the power steering reservoir. It just slides up from these 2 tabs, easy, and then there should be 2 8mm bolts here and here. And then you have to take off this, use like a visor or something, and there's another one down here you got to take off. So now I'm just removing this push pins. Let's say I think you need this too. Makes it easy, it just pops out. Oh, shit. You know, you don't want to lose it, obviously. Damn. So that's still draining. And it should be under here. This one right here. Let's say this one. This one. So you just pop that out. There. Shush. And the other side also, right here. Looks like. Alright. So once you do that, you can move this thing. Take that out. And split it to the side. This one has a electrical connected to it. I mean, you don't have to take it out completely, just move it to the side. You're gonna take this bolt out, and then this one out, and then this one out, and the same for the other side. One, and then this one, and That's basically what holds it to the condenser. So I'm gonna take that out now. Alright, so I just took out all the bolts, 4 of them, and then all the, so it's pretty easy from here. You just, the radiator should just push back. You gotta pull it out first because it's like a clip. You pull it up, push back, and pull it out. Radiator out. Something I forgot to say. So way to be able to pull it out from the top. There's this thing right here. So I don't know what it's called, but it sits right on it. You gotta pull that out first. So once you pull that out, then you should be able to push the radiator back and up out of the thing. But yeah, this is good old radiator. So I don't have the new one yet because I'm still waiting on the UPS guys to deliver it. So whenever he brings it out, just put it back. But anyways, that's pretty much how I get it done. Just put it back, the same process, you know. Slide it in there, put the caps on, put all the 4 bolts in, and then, you know, top off the coolant and everything. And make sure you bleed it. To bleed it, I want to take out this and let the air come out. And then you're done. Anyways, thanks for watching, man. I'm 300 out.